Hello everyone, my name is حامد غلامرضایی or غلامرضا. Welcome to this lesson. In this tutorial or in this video, we will learn how to transfer the 3dsMax file to another computer or laptop. All items including textures, materials, lighting will be preserved. This tutorial is in 3dsMax 2023 version. So if we copy and paste the 3dsMax file to another computer or laptop without exporting, our textures, materials and lighting will not be preserved. You must select the archive output. This output will be compressed file and will have all the textures, materials and lighting. It's enough to open this output and take a test rendering to see that everything is okay. And good luck.